To update the firmware on your Fable Joint module, the first step is to open up Fable Blockly on your PC or Mac computer. Make sure that you have the latest version of Blockly installed. You can find the latest version on our website. Now, simply take your USB to micro USB cable and connect the joint module with your computer. The plug is located on the back side of the joint module. Once connected, press and hold the power button on the front of your joint module. Keep holding it down. On the back side of the joint module, locate the power switch and slide it on while still holding down the button on the front. If done correctly, the joint module will start flashing red and blue. This indicates that update mode is now active and you can proceed with the firmware update. Switching over to the computer now. In Fable Blockly, click the Settings button. This will open up the settings window. From here, we navigate to the Firmware tab and enable Firmware mode by clicking on this sliding button. The joint module is now ready to be updated. Click the Update button to begin the firmware update. This process will only take a few moments. When it's done, Fable Blockly will let you know that the firmware update was successful. Your joint module is now updated to the latest firmware, and you're now ready to have fun coding with Fable. Good luck! For more information, visit our website at shaperobotics.com.